This technique, I'm going to show you the seam material and the seam and the wire. Wire we can use 0.4 or 0.3, both okay. Here I'm going to use 0.4. Okay, so we use 0.4. 1 millimeter. The wire I sell this is $2.5 one reel. One reel you can make at least 5 or 6 pieces. About 6 pieces of the ring you can make $2.5 for the big size. And for the small reel of wire, it's enough to make more piece ring. Okay, cut it 15 centimeter also. Okay, then wrap it at the middle. Wrap it at the middle here. This one. Thank you. My friends, if you are first time here, thank you to follow me. Yeah. Here. Okay. So the first we use the wire 0.4. Here. Then we are repeat the beginning here. Okay, I repeat 3 times. Okay, repeat 3 times. We are going to wrap this technique. Then when I wrap it, you will find it's not so much harder as we think. We continue use these beads. Hello, Yuda. Yeah. Thank you. Welcome. I'm use the lapis again. String the beads in advance here. Okay, string the beads here. Then the end, we are afraid the beads drop away. We can wrap a loop. Wrap the loop here. This can't find those beads on website. These beads have. Okay, so only I need to check if I have. I'm check with if going to take more picture next time. Because malachite, the color of the crystal with too many sides and the colors. Sometimes I'm not update everything in shop. Hello, Dana. Okay, then we go use the wire again, the 0.4 to wrap it. Okay, wrap it. I cut it 2 feet of the wire. And fold it at the middle. 2 feet and fold it at the middle. Here. This one. I want to get one of each color when you get more. Okay. Yeah. Then here, let's see how to wrap it. Here. You will see it's like this. Here. You see, this is the way to hang on. Okay, when hang on, we start to wave. Okay, the beads, put it here. This way. Then the wire here going to You see, we wrap the comb the beads. Need to make the beads at the middle. Here. So wrapper and another piece of the wire, the same. Okay. Comb the beads. Okay. Then next beads. I shoot slowly so you can see it clearly. Red, white, and blue, please. Okay, I'm going to check. Okay, so one bead come in, then the wire come to wrap it here, and another wire come to wrap it. See, just across. Okay. Comb the beads. Comb the beads. Here. Comb the beads. And the comb cross. Okay. Comb the beads. Here. This one. Here. Wrapper. Is it understand for here? Comb the beads. Here I wrap. Here wrap. Here. This way. Well, this one we make it on round beads. This one we make on round beads. This is both the wire from the one position. I'm here wrap the wire, one from back, one from front, so it come a little bit different. You can find. Yeah, here my wire is one back, one back, one front, and this one is both two wire from one position. Yeah, from both from back or both from front. Yeah, but technique is the same. Wrap technique is the same. This you see I from the top to bottom here, and another one from bottom to top. Okay, here, top to bottom. Here, this way, and again. Here, wrap the beads. Actually, if you are interested, you can try many different ways to wrap. Ring can be tried many different ways to braid, and it come a lot of the pattern. Here. Okay, beads not enough, so I am going to get more beads. Blue beads is cube shape. Thank you, my friends. If you are first time here, thank you to follow me. Hi, Silver P. Happy to see you. Okay, here. Here. Later gonna try with my crystal cube first. Yeah, this technique you can make it to a bangle also. If make it to a bangle, it's very nice as well. You see, if it's wrapped to a bangle, the shape, the design is very beautiful. Here. Okay, how much for this bag? Dear, this is not a bangle. This is going to make a ring. Yeah, going to make a ring, not a bangle. Hello, Simon. Yeah. Thank you to follow me, my friends. If you are first time here, we are a shop that sell the copper wire, sell the stainless steel chain, sell all the supplies for jewelry making, and I show you how to making jewelry here. Yeah, how you start. Fold the wire here, then start at this beginning, at this part. Okay, then the wire here we fill enough, then we can this one I'm not going to make a closed design. I'm going to make the adjustable ring. Okay, the adjustable ring. So here. Yeah, wire actually when you know the way to make, you can make a lot of the design. And this one, if we are making it to a hoop earring, it also work. Hoop earring, you just keep one wire left here, and another wire you can cut away. Okay, here. And we close it. Okay, and this wire we can be repeat the phantom repeat, and the another wire here we also go to close. Okay, make got my package yesterday. Thank you for the baby blue bracelet and the necklace. Thank you. Big voice 1 millimeter. Yes, yes, you are correct. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Here then we go start to wrap the wire, make it tight at the end. Okay, thank you. This will show at your page tutorial. Yes, I will post a tutorial today later. Tomorrow morning. My time tomorrow morning. Your time is night. Yeah, tomorrow night. Yeah, it's next live. Before tomorrow live, I will be posted this one. Fold it. Fold it a loop at the end here. Then we are going to bend. The length for here is 7. Then this ring will be a B size. Okay, I put it at 9 here. Okay, size 10, size 11. I can't wait till my pack comes. Darwin, have you contacted with the post office? Ask them to change the delivery address. Have you contacted with them? Okay. Here. This is the piece of the ring, and here.